Hello, children. Have you seen the clock on the wall? In your room and in the house, everywhere. It tells us the time. It shows us three things: hour, minute, and the seconds. The slimmest needle is for the seconds. It rotates around the clock 60 times to make up 1 minute. And the longest fat needle is the minute. It rotates another 60 times to make up an hour. And the small fat one is the hourly clock. We have to be efficient, and that's why we always see a small clock put down on a table in the office and in the school. It's really good to read the clock.